first woman to compete in the PGA Tour since Babe Didrikson Harrius in 1945. And on this day in 1843, America's western expansion had begun. Nearly 1,000 pioneers took off from Elm Grove, Missouri for the promise of free land in the Oregon territories. 5 months and 2,000 miles later, the wagon train safely arrived to tame the Wild West. And that's this day in history.
Good morning, Middle School. This is Isaiah
and Anastasia,
bringing you morning announcements
on WDMS News.
Today is Thursday, May 22nd, B-Day. Please stand for the Pledge of Allegiance and the DMS Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
I'm respectful,
and I am responsible at Dundalk Middle School and in my community. Please be seated.
Now for the math question of the day. Solve for D and 4D plus negative 36 in parentheses equals 0. Be sure your math teacher know if you can solve it. And now here's the word of the day.
The word of the day is forthcoming. We are all looking forward to the forthcoming weekend since we have Monday off for Memorial Day. Again, the word of the day is forthcoming.
Now let's get a check on the weather from Jasper.
Good morning, Dundalk Middle School. Today is going to be partly cloudy with scattered showers and thunderstorms. A few storms could be strong, warm and more humid, highs at 80 to 84 degrees. Back to you guys.
Thanks, Jasper.
Don't hide your owl pride. Buy a Dundalk wristband, 2 for $2. Get one for you and one for a friend.
Help DMS win $4,000. Recruit local community groups and businesses to spend 15 minutes cleaning up litter in the Dundalk community on behalf of DMS. The school with the most volunteers wins $4,000 towards environmental and STEM activities. See Mr. Comfer or Mr. Millette for details.
Rehearsal schedule for band and orchestra. Thursday, May 22nd today. Mod 1 and 2, all strings. Mod 5, 6, all band 6. Mod 7, 8, all band 7. Mod 9, all band 8. Today will be in the auditorium.
Now a video from the Homework Club.
If this happened to you, can you not concentrate while doing your homework? Well, come to the Homework Club.
Homework Club Tuesdays and Thursdays at room 216. Ooh, popcorn. Miss Foot approves this message.
Now a video from Recycling Crew.
Middle School, this is Anastasia reminding you that today is Recycling Day, so teachers remember to put on your recycling bins this afternoon, and students make sure that you're still recycling on paper and plastic. Thank you.
Recycling included action.
Now for some words of wisdom.
Good morning, Dundalk Middle School. This is Anastasia with a few words of wisdom. We've all heard the saying, every cloud has a silver lining. True enough, but the silver lining isn't always easy to see. Sometimes you have to take a good hard look behind, around, and over the dark cloud in order to understand what good might come out of a bad situation. William Sauron, American playwright and novelist, says, "Good people are good because they've come to wisdom through failure." When we learn from our mistakes, the wisdom we gain is the silver lining. So let's be wise people and let each failure and each mistake be an opportunity to learn and grow. Today, keep a positive attitude and look for the good, even in the bad situations. With something about this, Anastasia made a great dare not, the choice is yours.
And now here's Mr. Barish.
Good morning, Dundalk Middle School. We're very excited that this evening we are going to be having our second half of our spring concert, and our great band will be performing. 6th, 7th, and 8th graders under Miss Lapata's leadership. So again, students who are in our band, we look forward to having a great performance, and thank you for all the hard work you've done in preparing for this evening. And also, students, we'd like to also ask you to come out and support Dundalk Middle School and your peers at tonight's concert. We're looking forward to having a great evening this evening. Also, I want to remind students about the importance of coming to school every day, demonstrating a positive attitude, and applying yourself. And as part of Team DMS, we will do whatever it takes to make sure you are prepared and inspired to be a globally competitive graduate. Not only successful in school, but also successful in life. Let's make it a great day, DMS. Thank you.
This is Isaiah.
And Anastasia.
Reminding you to stay classy, Dundalk Middle School. Meow.